If you're seeing a graphics driver error in DaVinci Resolve, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by an unstable GPU configuration or outdated graphics drivers, and the good news is that in most cases, you can solve it without reinstalling the entire app. So if Resolve is crashing, freezing, or throwing up a graphics driver warning, stay with me, because we're going to fix that now. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful editing fix. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the edit page with your clips visible on the timeline. Starting here is important because it confirms your project is loaded and the issue is happening in a normal editing environment. Once you're on the edit page, go to the top left corner of DaVinci Resolve and click on DaVinci Resolve, then choose Preferences. This is where you can adjust performance and hardware settings that affect how Resolve uses your graphics card. Inside Preferences, look for the Memory and GPU section. This is the area that controls GPU configuration, and it's one of the most common places to fix graphics-related errors. When you open it, you may notice that Resolve is set to auto-detect your GPU. That sounds convenient, but in some systems it can pick the wrong processing mode or create instability, especially if your computer has both integrated graphics and a dedicated GPU. To fix that, change the GPU processing mode to either CUDA or OpenCL. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, CUDA is usually the best option. If you're on AMD, OpenCL may be the better choice. The goal here is to stop Resolve from relying on unstable auto-detection and force it to use the proper graphics processing mode directly. This one change often solves the error immediately. Next, check the list of GPUs and make sure only your dedicated GPU is selected. If you see your integrated graphics chip alongside your main graphics card, uncheck the integrated one. That matters because integrated graphics can conflict with Resolve's performance and trigger driver errors. By using only the dedicated GPU, you reduce the chance of instability and help Resolve run much more smoothly. Once you've made those changes, click Save. After that, close DaVinci Resolve completely and restart it. This part is important because Resolve needs to reload its graphics engine for the new settings to take effect. If you skip the restart, the changes may not fully apply, and the error can keep showing up even though you already updated the preferences. After reopening Resolve, test your project again and see if the graphics driver error is gone. In many cases, this is enough to fix the issue, but if the error is still happening, the next step is to update the GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a very common cause of Resolve problems, especially after software updates or Windows updates. To update your drivers, go to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer. If you're using NVIDIA, get the latest driver from NVIDIA. If you're using AMD or Intel, download the newest supported driver from their official site. Avoid random third-party driver tools because they can sometimes make the problem worse. After installing the updated driver, restart your computer and open DaVinci Resolve again. At this point, the graphics driver error should be much more stable or hopefully completely gone. If Resolve still has trouble, it usually means there's a deeper compatibility issue between the current driver version, your GPU settings, and your system configuration. But in most cases, setting the correct GPU processing mode, selecting only the dedicated GPU, and updating the driver will fix it. So to quickly recap, open Resolve on the edit page, go to Preferences, open Memory and GPU, switch to CUDA or OpenCL, select only your dedicated GPU, save the settings, restart Resolve, and if needed, update your graphics drivers and reopen the app. That's the safest and most effective way to handle a graphics driver error in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another editing error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.